In today's video, we will understand the concept and design of BCD to decimal decoder. Decoder, as we know, is a combinational circuit which decodes the information from n input lines to maximum 2 raised to the power n output lines. So it can have n input lines and maximum 2 raised to the power n output lines. Number of output lines can be less than 2 raised to the power n, but it cannot be greater than 2 raised to the power n. So therefore, we can have 2 to 4 line decoder, 3 to 8 line decoder, 4 to 16 line decoder, and so on. Okay, now if we talk about 3 to 8 line decoder, then this decoder will have 3 input lines and maximum 8 output lines, D0, D1 up to D7, maximum 8 output lines. Now what will be the working of this decoder? This kind of decoder, it will decode the information from these 3 input lines to these 8 minterms. It will generate the minterm corresponding to these 3 input lines. Value of these input lines is 0, 0, 0. In that case, minterm generated is 0. Okay, because decimal equivalent of 0, 0, 0 is 0. So in that case, we get the output D0 is equals to high, that is D0 is equals to 1. And rest of the output lines are 0. Okay, if the value of these input lines are 0, 1, 1, in that case, D3 will be high because the decimal equivalent of 0, 1, 1 is 3. So in that case, D3 will be high and the remaining output lines are 0. Okay, now we want to design BCD to decimal decoder. BCD, as we know, is the binary coded decimal. It is the binary 4-bit binary representation of decimal digits from 0 to 9. 4-bit binary representation of decimal digits from 0 to 9. Okay, now as we know that decimal digits are from 0 to 9. If we want to make the bigger number, then we have to combine the digits. Similarly, this is the case with BCD. If we want to represent 12 in BCD, in that case there is no 4-bit representation of 12 in BCD. Okay, for that we have to represent 1 as 0001 and 2 as 0010. Okay, so the number of input lines will be 4. Okay, the number of input lines will be 4, and what will be the number of output lines? It will be 10. From D0 to D9, from D0 to D9 will be the output lines. So W, X, Y, Z will be the input lines, input BCD number, and D0 to D9 will be the output lines. Okay, now if W, X, Y, Z is 0, 0, 0, 0, now what is the decimal equivalent of this 0, 0, 0, 0? It is 0. So in that case, D0 will be high and remaining lines will be 0. Okay, so we get the output 0 on these lines. Okay, now if the value of W, X, Y, Z is 0, 0, 0, 1, so what is the decimal equivalent of 0, 0, 0, 1? It is 1. So in that case, D1 will be high and the remaining lines will be low, that is 0. Okay, now if the value of W, X, Y, Z is 0, 0, 1, 0, in that case D2 will be high. If the W, X, Y, Z is 0, 0, 1, 1, in that case D3 will be high. In this case D4 will be high and remaining lines will be 0. Okay, in this case 0, 1, 0, 1, what is the decimal equivalent of 0, 1, 0, 1? It is 5. So in that case D5 will be high. Similarly, we can write for other values. So this is the desired truth table. Okay, when the value of W, X, Y, Z is 0, 1, we get D7 is equals to 1. D7 is equals to high and the remaining lines will be low. When the value of W, X, Y, Z is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, in that case D9 will be high and remaining output lines will be 0. Okay, now we can see that number of input lines is equals to 4, W, X, Y, Z, and we know the total possible values for 4 inputs are 16, 0 to 15, from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1. But in case of BCD, only 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, 1 are valid. We know this. So the remaining inputs from 1, 0, 1, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1, these remaining 6 inputs should be ignored. Now for designing the circuit diagram, we want expression for all of these 10 output lines. These are the 10 outputs and these outputs depends on the value of W, X, Y, Z. As we can see, D0 also depends on the value of W, X, Y, Z. D1 also depends on the value of W, X, Y, Z, and all these outputs depends on the value of w, x, y, z. So for drawing the circuit diagram, we want an expression. We want an expression. An expression, we can derive the expression using K map. So which K map should be used here? So this is for these are 4 inputs, 4 variables. So we need 4 variable K map, okay, and we need 10 K maps for each of these output lines. So this is the 4 variable K map where w, x, y, z are the inputs. Now these blocks are crossed corresponding to the minterms 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, because we know in case of BCD these inputs should be marked as don't care. These inputs should be avoided, okay. Now if we talk about D0, D0 is 1, in which case when the value of w, x, y, z is equals to 0, 0, 0, only in this case D0 is equals to high, okay. So D0 is equals to 1 only in this case when the value of w, x, y, z is 0, 0, 0, 0. So in this case only D0 is equals to 1, okay. So we mark a 1 here. Now this 1 cannot be combined with any of these x, okay. So there will be only a single group. There will be a group of only this single, okay. So D0 is equal to, expression for D0 will be equal to, this group falls in this row. So in this row value of w is 0. So we write the complement of w. Value of x is also 0. So we write complement of x. Value of y and z are also 0. So we write complement of y and complement of z, okay. Now if we talk about D1, I am not making separate KMF for this, okay. So in case, so you should draw separate KMF if you don't want any confusion, okay. So D1 is equals to 1, in which case D1 is equals to 1 when the value of w, x, y, z is 0, 0, 0, 1. So in case of 0, 0, 0, 1, D1 is equals to high, okay. And in case of 0, 0, 0, 0, D1 is equals to 0. So we should write a 0 here, because now I am making KMF for D1, not for D0, okay. So you should draw separate KMF for that. I am just making changes in this KMF, okay. So D1 is equals to 1, in which case where value of w, x, y, z is 0, 0, 0, 1, okay. Now this 1 also cannot be combined with any of these x, okay. So this will be the group of this single one. Now what will be the expression corresponding to this D1? The expression will be w complement, x complement. So w complement, x complement, y complement z, y complement z. Now if we talk about D2, D2 is 1, in which case 0, 0, 1, 0 when the value of w, x, y, z is 0, 0, 1, 0. So I am making, you should make a separate KMap, otherwise you will be confused, okay. So D2 is 1 when the value of w, x, y, z is 0, 0, 1, 0. This is the KMap for D2 now. So 0, 0, 1, 0. So D2 is 1 in this case. Now we can see that this 1 can be combined with this 1, can be ruled with this x, okay. This don't care. So what will be the expression corresponding to D2? The expression corresponding to D2 will be equal to this group combine, this group falls in these 2 rows, and in these 2 rows value of w is changing. So we should eliminate this, but value of x is fixed, it is 0. So we should write complement of x, but this complement of x, but this group falls in this column, and in this column value of y and z both are fixed, 1, 0. So y and complement of z. Now in case of D3, we see that value of D3 is 1 when the value of w, x, y, z is 0, 0, 1, 1. When the value of w, x, y, z is 0, 0, 1, 1. So in this case D3 is high. So this 1 can also be combined with this cross. So what will be the expression corresponding to D3? The expression will be equals to D3 will be equals to this group falls in these 2 rows, and in these 2 rows value of w is changing, but the value of x is fixed, which is 0. So we should write complement of x. Now this group falls in this column, and here the value of y and z is fixed, which is 1, 1. So we write y and z. Now D4 is 1 when the value of w, x, y, yz is 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Now this 1 can be combined with this cross, so we make this group. Now what will be the expression corresponding to D4? So D4 will be equals to, this group falls in these two rows, and in these two rows value of w is changing but the value of x is fixed, which is 1. So we should write x here, and this group falls in this column, and here the value of yz is fixed, which is 0 0. So we should write y complement z complement. Now we should see D5. We should draw KMF for D5. D5 is 1 in this case, where the value of wxyz is 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So D5 is 1 in this case. So this 1 can be combined with this cross, and the expression corresponding to D5 will be equals to, here we can see in these two rows value of w is changing but value of x is fixed, which is 1. So we should write x here. In this column value of y is 0, so y's complement, and value of z is 1. So we should simply write z here. Now we should draw KMF for D6. So I am just doing changes in this KMF only. So D6 is 1 when the value of wxyz is 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, so we should write a 1 here, 0 1 1 0, and we should remove this group. Okay, so here x only. Now this one can also be combined with this x, so the expression corresponding to D6 will be equal to, expression corresponding to D6 will be equal to, in these two rows value of x is fixed, which is 1, so it is x, but value of yz in this column value of y is 1, so y, and value of z is 0, so complement of z. So this is the expression for D6. Now D7 is high at this value 0 1 1 1. So D7 is high at value 0 1 1 1. So we should write a 1 here. Also this one can be combined with this x. So what will be the expression for D7? So expression for D7 will be equal to, in these rows value of x is fixed, so we write a x here, and here value of y and z is 1 1. So we should write y z only, x y z. So the expression corresponding to D7 will be x y z. D8. D8 is 1 when the value of x y w x y z is 1 0 0 0. When the value of w x y z is 1 0 0 1 0 0. So 1 0 0. Now here we can make a group of 4 by rolling. Okay, so the group corresponding to D8 is this. Now the expression will be D8 is equals to, D8 will be equal to what? So this group falls in these two rows, and in these two rows value of w is fixed, which is 1 only, so we should write w, and in these two columns value of y is changing but value of z is fixed, which is 0, so we should write complement of z. Now the last is D9. Now D9 is 1 when the value of wxyz is 1 0 0 1, when the value of wxyz is 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, now we can make a group of 4 by combining these don't cares and 1. So what will be the expression corresponding to D9? So D9 will be equal to, in these two rows value of w is fixed, which is 1, so we should write a 1 here, sorry, we should write a w here, and in these two columns value of w is changing but value of z is fixed, which is 1, so we should write a z here. So these are the desired expression for our 10 outputs. Now we should simply draw the circuit diagram. Now this is the desired circuit diagram. As we have seen, the expressions for D0 was w complement, x complement, y complement, z complement, and there is an AND operation between these variables. That's why I have put an AND gate to connect these variables. Okay, so D0 is equals to w complement, so it is connected to w complement. This is the line for w complement. So w complement, x complement, so this is x complement, y complement, and z complement. Okay, similarly D1 was equals to w complement, x complement, y complement, z. So this is equals to, this is connected to w complement, so this is w complement, x complement, this is x complement, line for x complement, y complement, and z complement. Similarly, I have connected all of these variables using AND gate, and these output lines will not be connected using OR gate. There will be no OR gate further. Okay.